Part 2. Okay, we'll start here at the jaws. What I found was with the snap shackle, I had it secured all the way down here on very nice and tight. But when I raised the sail all the way up, it would bind between here and the mast and start chewing up the mast. So I just put this little, about 6-inch high rope bridle, and everything works out just fine. Now coming up the gaff, we have a stainless steel cable for the peak halyard, and the peak halyard is also a shackle which rides on this cable. It's set very tight. The cable is set very, as tight as I could get it. And the way this works is, when I raise the peak all the way up, it rides about in the middle. The shackle rides about in the middle of the bridle. But when I drop down my first reef, the shackle goes all the way up to the end here. So that works out well. What I found with the long battens on this boat is that to get the sail furled up nice and tight, I had to relieve the tension at the peak end. The battens are pretty long, and otherwise they just kind of stick down like this and prevent you from furling up the sail. So I've got a small line going from the peak of the sail through a hole in the top and then up to a small jam cleat, so that when I set the sail, I pull my sail ties off, tighten this baby up, and then I'm ready to set sail. So